I have for the first time a fidget spinner here. Everyone is going crazy about these. So I'm really excited to give it a spin. That's it? This is what people are going crazy about? Can we take it a step further? I got all the coolest fidget spinner tricks. If you have one spinning, watch this. You can put another one on top. What can I say? I spun since the day I was born. I know what you're thinking. There's no way you can make anything cooler than this, Felix. Oh, wait. There is. Do you know how much pussy you gonna get with these, boy? If you're wearing these, you get insta-laid, insta-veg, insta-lunchbox. You see someone you don't like? Just give them this. Oh my God! You thought fidget spinners weren't cool? Well, now they are back cool again. That's definitely cool. I know what you're thinking. There's nothing cooler than this. Guess again. What if you put a fidget spinner on a fidget spinner? It's fully charged. God damn it. I'm glad we bought 15 for this. What if you put a fidget on your fidget? Something might happen when we do this. We have never done this before. I can guarantee you. No one's tried this before.
You might levitate.
Yes. Now that's fidget spinner. You thought fidget spinners were gay? Well, have you had them on your nipples yet? Oh! Oh hell yeah!
God. This is the most fucked up thing we've ever done. Felix! Get up!
Go away!
You lazy bastard!
Shut up!
We're gonna shoot video. What are you doing?
What I say? I'm doing a power nap. Today, I am going to become what I love. A fidget spinner. We have this idea that we can use this chair. It's PJ's chair, but fuck him. We're gonna modify this chair for me to become the greatest fidget spinner alive. Alright, it's done. Okay, so the idea is that I think it's pretty obvious what the idea is. They don't teach you this in school. Alright, so I'm gonna need some help with the tape. Wait for the detail. My haters doubted me, said I could never become a fidget. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Look.
But will it spin? We're just gonna have to take it to the streets to find out. Also, my hand is stuck. If you could help me, please. Thank you. Let's go. This is the first time I see myself. I'm goddamn beautiful. Finally, I've transformed.
Oh my God, he's not gonna be able to get up again.
I feel so sick. The sickness is an issue, but it's not a problem.
How did you even build this?
This? I was born like this.
You were born like this?
This is in my chromosomes. Hell yeah, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, boy!
I swear to God. Okay.
I'm the coolest man alive. Why does no one care? It's almost like I don't exist. We must be spinning too fast that they can't see us. I will slow down my speeds. Excuse me. Could you spin me, please? Give me a good spin. Please. Oh no, I'm going the other way. Hurry, please. Where are you going? No! Can I get a spin, please? Just one spin. Spin me.
Spin you?
Please spin me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, it.
Yeah.
Come on, a little harder. Come on. Yeah! They up!
No, you're too near the phone box.
Trying to tell me. Please spin me. Don't go. I love you. Please spin me. Please. Yes. Yes. Hell yeah. No, don't push me out in traffic. Yeah! Thank you. Give me a spin. Please.
Give it a push.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. That was great. Thank you very much. I need someone that can spin me like a real spinner. Like a real fidget spinner pro. Can I get a spin, please? Spin. Come on. Please. Oh! My God! Thank you! Oh. Oh. Never done it with a man before. Hell yeah. Such power. I'm ready to take this off now. I'm taking a little nap. Being fidget spinner isn't as easy as it seems.
Third floor.
Leave a like.